Hey everyone, in this video let's talk about how you can reset your passive skills tree in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, here we are in Path of Exile 2. The first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you are at the Clearfell encampment. Then the second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have encountered the Hooded One and he is in the encampment. Once you have confirmed you've reached that point, then you're going to speak with the Hooded One and you can see that he has an option here that says refund passives. Let's go ahead and click on that. Then from here you can see we have our skill tree, and if you hover over any of these skills that you have selected, then you can see where it says click to unallocate. So once you click on that, then you can refund your passives as you see fit. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.